stop scrolling. Don't blink. Because the old way of making money online is officially dead. Right now, Elon Musk just became the world's first trillionaire, while everyone else is arguing about how many hours he sleeps or how much coffee he drinks. They are completely missing the point. Elon did not get this rich by selling his time. He got this rich by following one strict rule. If a task can be done by a machine, never let a human do it manually. Meanwhile, millions of side hustlers are fighting for scraps on freelance sites. They write one article or make one cheap logo, get paid $20, and start over at zero the next day. They are trapped. But a tiny group of people are copying Elon's exact mindset. They are setting up simple AI loops that work 24/7, making money every single month on autopilot. They aren't genius programmers. They just use first principles thinking. If you are still trading your hours for cash, you are running a broken script. If you stay until the very last second of this video, the way you think about money will change forever. I'm going to break down the exact 3-step AI engine built on Elon Musk's efficiency framework. No motivational fluff, just the raw steps to build a monthly recurring income. But if you skip even one part, your brain will go right back to its old, slow way of working. The choice is yours. Let's begin. Part 1. The first principles truth. Most people fail to make money because they just copy what everyone else is doing. They make a basic portfolio, apply for jobs, and wait for someone to pick them. That is a dead end. Elon Musk uses first principles. This means you strip away all assumptions and look only at the basic facts. When you apply this to making money online, the basic fact is this: businesses do not care about your hard work. They only care about fixing things that lose them money. Look at your local town. Think about the businesses around you: plumbers, roofers, dentists, or clinics. They are great at their jobs, but they lose tons of money because their customer service is slow. If a customer messages them on a weekend, the business takes 12 hours to reply. By then, that customer has already hired a competitor. That is a massive leak. When you fix that leak using simple AI, you aren't just a freelancer anymore. You are a systems engineer. Part 2. The no-waste AI loop. Look at how a Tesla factory works. If a car part takes 3 extra seconds to move across the room, they redesign the whole assembly line to fix it. They hate wasted time. You are going to bring that exact same rule to local businesses. You do not need to write complicated code. You can use free visual AI builders like BotPress or VoiceFlow. These tools let you build smart assistants by just dragging and dropping blocks on a screen. You give the AI simple text documents about the business like their prices, services, and calendar link. Then you connect it to their website, Instagram, or WhatsApp. The moment a customer messages them at 2 a.m., the AI instantly replies. It answers their questions, asks for their phone number, and books an appointment straight into the owner's calendar. You have turned a slow, messy human task into a perfect, automated loop that runs for pennies. Part 3. The subscription secret. Here is where most beginners make a huge mistake. They build a cool AI tool and try to sell it for a big, one-time price like $2,000. This scares business owners away because it feels risky. The elite use a subscription model instead. You tell the business owner, I will set up this entire automated system for your website for absolutely free. You only pay a flat fee of $300 every month to keep the system active and bringing you new clients. To a business owner, paying $300 a month to secure thousands of dollars in new jobs is an easy choice. It is cheaper than hiring a human assistant, and it never sleeps. For you, getting just for local clients means a steady $1,000 to $100 landing in your bank account every single month on autopilot. The software does the actual work. You just check on it once a week. Part 4. The factory copy-paste method. When Elon Musk built a successful car factory in Shanghai, he didn't stop and celebrate. He took that exact same blueprint, copied it, and used it to build factories in Berlin and Texas. This is the scaling secret that average people totally miss. Once you build a great AI booking assistant for one local business like a roofing company, in your city you own a valuable asset. You do not need to invent something new for the next client. You take that exact same AI setup, swap out the old business name and prices for a new client in a completely different city, and paste it. You are running a digital assembly line. Your daily work stays exactly the same, but your monthly income grows bigger with every single business you connect to your loop. Part 5. Smashing the tech myth. Let's crush the biggest excuse your brain is making right now. The fear that you aren't smart enough or qualified enough to do this. You assume business owners know more about technology than you do. The truth, they are completely buried under daily stress. They are busy managing workers, buying supplies, and handling angry customers. They do not have 40 hours to study AI tools, prompt engineering, or automation webhooks. They don't want to learn it. They just want the problem fixed. You aren't selling complex science. You are selling speed and convenience. Your power doesn't come from a computer science degree. It comes from your ability to look at a free AI tool and use it to solve a real-world problem today. The final lock. Look at how your perspective just changed. You have stopped looking at AI as a way to make a quick buck on a single gig. You now see it through first principles as a tool to build permanent, monthly income assets. The $1 trillion finish line wasn't crossed by working harder. It was won by building leverage. Having this strategy inside your head is completely useless unless you actually use it. So do this right now. Do not leave a vague, empty comment. Comment the exact type of local business in your area that you are going to target and break down tonight using this blueprint. Name the niche. The exact second you type it out, your mind switches from a passive viewer to an active system builder. If this session completely rewired how you plan to build your income, hit the like button to lock in your focus. And if you want to master the hidden rules of the automated economy, subscribe. The next step will unlock a code that cannot be ignored. I will see you there.